Hey guys, let's make a pretty angel ornament. You can make this for yourself. It's a very pretty gift. You can make them for your tree. I even have them hanging on my chandelier. So think of all the possibility. And this is a great craft to do with kids. So let's get started. So first off, you're going to use a 2.5 inch, and that's going to be to make his little dress. A 2.5 inch ribbon. I suggest to pick a ribbon that has good wire. As you can see, it forms his little dress, and we want to make sure that it keeps the shape that we want to keep it on. Okay. We also going to use a 1.5 inch ribbon to make his little bow tie. And you see here, we close up the bow tie to give it a good finished look, and that's about a 1/2 inch or 7/8, whatever you have. And this is what I'm going to use for the. We're going to use a wooden ball that it's about 1.25 inches, and these could be picked up in Michael's, Hobby Lobby, or Walmart. You can use any type of cording. We're going to use any type of cording that you have. I picked these up at Hobby Lobby in any color you need. We're going to be using scissors, a glue gun, and any type of mat that you want to use to measure your work. We're going to start with our 2.5 inch ribbon cut at 10.25 inch. I just like to leave a little bit extra. You're going to measure about a 1/2 inch from where you cut it and put a little clip. Then you're turning your ribbon upside down, and you're going to put a little dab of glue on the wrong side of the ribbon and gather together again, helping yourself with a clip. And you're going to do this on both sides of your ribbon and pinch it together. Always give the glue enough time to dry, and then pinch it so that that part becomes a little flat. Now you want to take your ball, which is going to be the head, put a little dab of glue, and grab one side with the wrong side of the ribbon facing you, and press it down onto the little head. And just give it enough time to dry. Now you want to go ahead, bring the other ribbon in an L shape, put a little dab of glue right next to the previous one, and glue it together so that both ends of the ribbon are on the inside, and you just form this pretty little dress. We start making a loop with the 1.5 inch ribbon, and the loop is about 2 inches. You're going to make 2 of them, making sure that you are always pinching and twisting your ribbon so that the right side of the ribbon is always facing you. And make the lower loop about a 1/2 inch bigger, twist, and bring it together. And you just made this cute little bow. Once you made the bow, I use a pipe cleaner to tie it and put it in place before I cover it with my ribbon. If the ribbon is too wide, then go ahead and fold it in half. Glue a little bit of the top, wrap the ribbon around the back, put a little dab of glue, and close up the smaller ribbon to cover the pipe cleaner. I use the pipe cleaner so that we have something to hang our ornament with. So just glue that in place. And friends, whenever you use the glue and attach pieces together, always hold it down and give it a couple of minutes. Go ahead and start wrapping the little hair, going around and around in a circle motion, hiding the pipe cleaner that we used to hang it. Once the hair is done, it's time to put the bow tie on, and we're almost done. Make sure that you measure before where it goes and put a little bit of glue between his head and the beginning of his dress, and put the bow down on the dress part. Hope you enjoyed it, and stay tuned for more DIY ideas.